So excited to say we are back now with legendary guitarist Hector Pimentel and his beautiful wife Carol. Great to have you both. And I want to mention real quick that you recently released a CD called Smile Like a Billionaire. So tell us about that real quickly.
Well, the reason I call it Smile Like a Billionaire is I have two songs in there. One is called Smile that Michael Jackson did.
Oh, I love that song.
And then also Billionaire, who has a rap song.
I want to be a billionaire. That one, I love it. That's fantastic.
So I named it like that, but I got a lot of different styles of music in that particular city, from country music to Carlos Santana to Smile and Billionaire.
Something for everybody.
Yeah,
and real quick, before we go to the music, you wanted to mention the guitar you're playing?
This is made by my brother Robert.
Gorgeous.
And from the Pimentel family, my brothers, and along with my brother Rick Pimentel, which they're one of the greatest guitar makers in the world now.
No doubt.
And so, you know, I'm real proud of them. And,
as you should be.
And then I have other brothers like Victor and who's it?
We'll mention them later. We want to hear the music. Will you play for us, really? Will you play for us right now?
Yes.
It's a treat. Here we go. The sounds, the soulful sounds of Hector Pimentel. Thank you for blessing us with that beauty in the morning. That is, I've got the chills. I can't even talk. I'm speechless. Thank you.
Are you serious?
Thank you. And where can we get more information about your work?
I'm playing over at Casa de Benavides on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Okay, fantastic.
In the evening on Fridays and Saturdays and Sunday mornings.
I love it. I love it. And of course, you'll play us out again later in the show, right? So you don't want to miss out. There will be more. There will still be more. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's show as much as I did. I want to thank all of today's guests, and for details about anything from today's show and all of our shows, you can visit us at casa.com. And we want to leave you with our special musical guest, Hector Pimentel, and his wife, Carol. And Carol, remind everybody, you can also get these guitars that we're talking about and lessons as well, right?
Yes, we would like to invite you, anyone who's watching, to please come and tour the studios at 3316 Lafayette Northeast. And you can check the guitars, see how they're made.
Fantastic. And let's listen to more amazing sounds of both of you. Thank you both so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I'll leave you both to what you do best.